In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change a photo album cover in the Photos app on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these same instructions for previous iPhones and even iPad. So in the Photos app, if you tap on Albums, you should see all the albums in your phone. And if you don't see all of them, you can tap on See All and see your albums. Now, your iPhone automatically chooses the last photo in the album and makes that the album cover. So for instance, if you look at this album, this photo is the last photo added. This album has this last photo added. Okay, so to change the album cover, what you need to do is just get into the album, choose the photo you want as your album cover. So let's say for instance I want this one. Simply long press on that photo, and as long as that photo is inside an album, you should see the option to make key photo. So tap on make key photo, and that basically means it's going to be the key photo for this album, and that means it's going to be your album cover photo. Okay, and you can do the same for other albums as well. So let's say this photo, for instance, instead of this one, which is on the album cover, let's say I want this one. I'll long press on this photo and choose make key photo. That's going to be my new album cover. So that's basically how to change album covers in the Photos app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.